Hello class, it's Ian. I've just been thinking about some of you not really being that confident with looking up infinitives of verbs. Now if you think about an infinitive, it's just the pure form of the verb is one way of looking at it. So if you think about reading, reading is a verb, but the infinitive is to read. Yeah, to see, to watch, to go, to swim, etc. Yeah, that is how we would describe the infinitive of the verb in English. Okay, so when you're not sure what the infinitive is, and sometimes it's not clear by the other forms of the verbs, what you want to be doing is looking up the verbs on Dichtpunkt CC. Okay, so if we look at sailing, right, what is sailing? To sail. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go to Dichtpunkt CC and I go S-A-I-L, sail. Now you look for the verbs, okay. To sail, alright, so to sail is segeln, okay, sailing, to sail, segeln, alright. To read, let's put read here, okay, read, alright, so verb, to read, lesen, yeah, here in brackets it's got something, and so the bracket is etwas lesen, to read something, okay, but to read is lesen. Okay, here to read somebody, something is something different because you're actually reading to someone. So the infinitive to read is lesen. Okay, now with the fishing one, there are obviously two ways of saying fishing. One is angeln, yeah. So let's have a look. Fishing, enter. Okay. So nouns, we want verbs. Okay. Actually, I've done it wrong there because what I want is to fish. To fish. Okay. So verbs to fish is either fischen or angeln, okay? But if you'll notice from the verb sheet that goes with that table, fischen is the one that's being used, okay? Now, if you are thinking about, right, what is the one, what verb do I use to go to the theatre, to go to the cinema, to go shopping? You want to go, don't you? Okay, so go is to go, gehen. Alright, so if we have a look at here, where's it gone? Bear with me, bear with me. Yes. Okay, so hier ins Theater gehen, yeah, ins Theater gehen, right, einkaufen gehen, right, so this is Schach, but the verb is to play, isn't it? Okay, so type in here, play, enter, where's the verb? To play, spielen. Okay, hopefully that will be of some help to you. So what I want you to do is actually look at your tables and look at the infinitives. Have you got those right? Okay guys, I hope that's a bit clearer. Let me know if not, and I'll say tschüss.